Welcome to an educational journey through the English language, where today we explore the art of phrasal verbs. These combinations of words take on unique meanings and are essential in mastering conversational English. First up, call off, which means to cancel something. For instance, due to bad weather, they had to call off the outdoor concert. This verb is particularly useful when plans are disrupted by unforeseen circumstances. Moving on, figure out, refers to understanding or solving a problem. A practical application could be, I need some time to figure out how to fix this issue. This phrase comes in handy when tackling challenges or puzzles in daily life. Next, we have get over, meaning to recover from an illness or emotional distress. It is often used like this: it took her a while to get over her breakup. This phrasal verb is common in discussions about health and emotional well-being. Look after means to take care of or watch over someone or something. An example could be she looked after her neighbor's cat while they were on vacation. It's a phrasal verb that emphasizes responsibility and care. Put off implies to postpone or delay something. For example, they decided to put off the meeting until next week. It's particularly useful when scheduling conflicts arise. Run into means to unexpectedly encounter someone or something. A sentence might read, I ran into an old friend at the grocery store yesterday. This verb is perfect for describing surprising meetings. Turn up can mean to increase in volume or intensity, and also to appear unexpectedly. In sentences, it could be used as, can you turn up the music a little? Or, he turned up at the party uninvited. It covers both auditory adjustments and unexpected arrivals. Give in means to surrender or yield to someone or something. For example, after hours of negotiation, they finally gave in to our demands. It's often used in contexts where compromise or concession is involved. Work out could mean to exercise or to solve a problem successfully. It can be seen in, she works out at the gym 3 times a week, or I'm sure we can work out a solution together. This verb is versatile, applicable to both physical activity and problem resolution. Lastly, bring back means to return something to its original place or to revive a memory or feeling. It could be phrased as, don't forget to bring back the book you borrowed, or that song brings back memories of my childhood. It's a nostalgic verb, often stirring memories or obligations. In summary, today's exploration covered 10 phrasal verbs: call off, figure out, get over, look after, put off, run into, turn up, give in, work out, and bring back. Each of these can enhance your ability to express complex ideas and emotions in English. Try incorporating them into your daily conversations to sound more like a native speaker. Happy learning and practicing.